Good day, my name is Mark Spindler, instructor for the KWEST warehousing program at Solomon College, and in this video I am going to show you how to pack items into cases for a sales order using an Excel sheet, a barcode scanner, and some product. So let's get started. Okay, so first off, we have this Excel sheet here, and it's for a sales order. A customer has ordered some items represented by the quantities here and the product numbers here. So what I've done to make this work, what I'm going to be doing is scanning each barcode on each of these items. So each item here has a UPC barcode, and I've already entered and attached those barcodes to each item. So if I scan one barcode, it will only bring up that one item. Also, here I have a list of items, or a list of how many items I have already packed. So right now I have some ones and some zeros. That means I'm partially through the packing process. Once these have all matched the quantity ordered, the remaining number will be 0, and this whole column will move from started to packed. Okay, and down here, what will happen is I will scan the UPC here in the red column. I'll press tab, and then the SKU will pop up. I'll press tab again. I'll enter the quantity that I'm putting into the case, and then finally I'll press tab and I'll scan the correct carton. Then I'll press enter, and it will bring me back to the first column, the UPC column. Okay, so now that you know what I'm going to do, let's get started. Let's see how fast I can scan all of these 10 lines of product into the cases. All right, let's get going. Okay, ready, set, and go. Let's move that back up. Okay, and here we go. Okay, perfect. Okay, here we go. Starting now. Okay, scan UPC. Tab, quantity 1, tab, scan case into carton 1, enter. Oh, put that in there. Okay, next one. Scan. Tab, quantity 1. I'm going to put that into case number 2. Enter. Make sure you put that in. Next one. Scan. Tab, 1, tab. Let's put this into carton 2 again. Make sure it fits. Enter. Next one. Scan. Tab, 1, tab. Let's put it into carton 1. Make sure it fits. Enter. Keep going. Let's get that Lysol bottle in there. Tab, 1, tab. We'll go to carton 1. Ooh, okay. Does it fit? Oh, it fits. It fits. Okay. Enter. Okay, scan the book. Tab, 1, tab, and put it to carton 2. Make sure it fits. Oh, it fits. I hope it fits. It fits. We're good. Enter. Next one. This many left. Scan. Tab, 1, tab, carton 1. Does it fit? Hope so. Yeah, good enough. Enter. Again. Scan. Tab, 1, tab, carton 1. All right, we're doing okay. The packing is getting a bit rough. I'm not being careful with my packing. Might have to reposition books. Make sure they fit. Okay, all right. And that's in carton 1. Let's put more things into carton 2. Okay, well, where is it? There it is. Tab, 1. Let's put that into carton 2. Okay. This is carton 2 here. Okay, it's getting full. Okay, and press enter. Next line, scan. Tab, 1 tab, carton, 2, put it in, it doesn't fit, no problem. Cool, and done. So that was 3 minutes. Okay, all right, so there we go. That's how you use the scanner that's how you use the Excel sheet scanner, and yeah, to pack a sales order. Thank you so much for watching.